Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome and thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So tonight we have our item, and this item is about sets, or somebody can say set theory. So let's just go through it thoroughly so that we can solve the problem in here that is required. It reads, of the 8 senior 5 students that passed math in bracket M in TESOL integrated SS, 45 passed physics, in bracket you have P, 60 passed chemistry, in bracket you have C, 5 passed biology, B, and M only, 5 passed M only, that's math only. Those who passed physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics equals to those passed only biology, chemistry, and math. The number of students who passed math and chemistry only equals to those who passed math, biology, and physics only, and are 5 less than those who passed all the 4 subjects. Then down here we have our task. Part A, represent the above information in a Venn diagram. Then part B, find the number of those who passed Roman number 1, all the 4 subjects. Roman number 2, only 3 subjects. Then part C, the student is selected at random. Find the probability that the student, Roman number 1, passed 2 subjects. Roman number 2 did not pass biology. So we can now kickstart writing our response here. We are going to begin by letting. So we can let response. So let's let X be the number of students who passed the 4 subjects. So now we are going to draw our, and in here you may think that there are 4 sets, but there are 3. Okay, the 4th one is the universal, and the other 3. So in here, the universal is considered as the math subject, whereas the physics, chemistry, and biology are now the 3 sets we are going to consider or put under consideration as we are working out this number. So it's better we begin by drawing our, we're going to draw our 3 sets here. So we have this, maybe for one set. Then we have another one. That's the second one, the third one. And that's like this. So this is our set we have drawn. So now we can begin feeding in the information of 8 senior 5 students that passed math. So this on math, you say this is the universal, and we are going to put it outside as the universal. So we can say that number of members in the universal, we are saying they are also equal to the number of members who passed mathematics, and they are equal to 8. Then we said we let X to be the number of those who liked or who passed the 4 subjects. That means in here this is X. I said that 45 passed physics. So we can now make this one to be the set for those ones who passed physics, and they are saying they are 45. 60 passed chemistry. 60 passed chemistry. Consider that the number of those members or students who passed chemistry, they are saying they are 60. Then automatically this one becomes the set for the number of members who passed biology. And these ones are not yet given. They are saying that 5 passed biology and math only. So we can count 5 passed biology, this biology, and math only. Remember, math is our universal. That means the 5 they are talking of, they are here. 5 passed math only. So if math is the universal, it means the other 5 they are talking of, they are just outside here. 5. Then we move on to the next thing. It continues to say that those who passed physics, chemistry, biology, and math equal to those who passed only biology, chemistry, and math. This means that those ones who passed the 4 subjects, the X equals to those ones who passed only biology, chemistry, and mathematics. So we go where the biology intersect with biology intersecting with chemistry. So they are here. They are saying they are equal, meaning that even here we have our X. So we proceed. The number of those of students who passed math and chemistry only equals to those who passed math, biology, and physics only, and are 5 less than those who passed all the 4 subjects. So we are going to use those ones, the X, which are the students who passed the 4 subjects, and relate with this statement, which says that those students who passed mathematics and chemistry only equals to those who passed math, biology, and physics only. So those ones who passed chemistry and math only are here, and then those ones who passed math, physics, and biology only are located here. And they are saying that they are 5 less than those who passed all the 4 subjects, meaning that those ones who are here are equal to X minus 5. Say that they be 5 less than those ones who passed the 4 subjects. And they are saying they are also equals to these ones who passed math, physics, and biology only. We can still let Y be the number of students who pass math and physics only. Also, we let maybe Z be the number of students who passed math, chemistry, and physics only. And now we can now allocate them in this Venn diagram. So those ones who passed math and physics only. Math, remember the universal, and physics only, they are here. So we can say that they are Y. Then these ones are Z. So now we can go on and we are going to get sum up all these ones. For example, in this physics set and equate to 45. Sum up these ones in the set of chemistry and equate to 60. And then lastly, we shall sum up all of them, including this 5, and we equate to 80. Meaning that in here we are going to form 3 equations, and then we solve them from P. That is the physics set, the one we have above here. We are going to say that Y plus Z plus X, then plus X minus 5. Let me say that they are over. Yes, should be equal to the 45. Then let's simplify this equation. We are having Y plus Z plus, this is now 2X minus 5 equals to 45. So we are having our Y plus Z plus 2X minus 5 plus 5, we are collecting like terms, equals to 45 plus 5. So we have our Y plus the Z plus 2X equals to 50. We can name this our equation 1. Then still from the next set, that is set of chemistry, still we sum up. We are summing up Z plus X plus X plus X minus 5 equal to 60. So we are having Z plus X plus X plus X minus 5. Let's check. Yes, we have that. Equals to 60. Let's simplify. We have Z plus, this is 3X minus 5 equals to 60. We collect the terms by taking 5 on the other side. Have 3X minus 5 plus 5 equals to 60 plus 5. So we have our Z plus 3X equals to 65. We can name this our equation 2. Then we proceed on. Then we sum up the universal, which is now a set of mathematics, and equate to 80. We are going to sum up everything here, including this 5 outside, and we equate to 80. We are against from math or the universal set. We are saying we have our y plus z plus x minus 5 plus x minus 5. We are here plus x plus another x plus this 5 plus another 5 which is outside. Then we are equating to 80. So we have our y plus z for x. Then this and that, negative 5, equals now to 80. We name this as equation 3. Then let's use equation 3 and equation 1. We are going to solve these 3 equations simultaneously. So we are saying that from equations 1 and 3, which is we are having y plus z plus the 4x equaling to our 80. So then from equation 1, we are having y plus our z plus the 2x equals to 50. So we can solve these 2 equations, and we can eliminate both y and x at the same time by subtracting. So we have y minus y is 0, z minus z is equal to 0. Then for x minus 2x, we are having our 2x equals to 80 minus 50, remain with 30. So to solve for the value of x in here, we are going to divide it through by 2 on both sides of the equation. So by 2, here we shall get x equaling to 30 divided by 2. We are getting the answer as 15. So this is the value of x. So we proceed on. Let's substitute in the value of x into this equation 2, so that we are in position to get the value of z. So we are saying that here from equation 2, which is z plus 3x equaling to 65. We are substituting in the value of x, so we are going to have z plus the 3 into our 15, which is equal to 65. So our z plus 3 times 15, we are having our answer as 45, which is equal to 65. So we proceed. We have our z plus 45 minus 45. We are collecting the like terms, is equal to 65 minus 45. Our z is equal to 65 minus 45. We are getting the answer as 20, the value of z. We can now substitute into equation 1 from equation 1, which is y plus z plus 2x equals to 50. Y plus our z, but z is now 20, plus 2 into our x, which is 15, should give us 50. This is y plus 20 plus 2 times 15, giving us 30, equaling to 50. We have our y plus 20 plus 30, have 50, giving us 50. So let's collect the like terms by taking the other 50 on the other side, plus 50 minus 50 equals to the 50 minus 50. So our y equals to now 0. So having got the value of y, z, and also the value of x, we can now redraw. So we are going to draw the sets. I draw another one here. Then lastly, like this. So the number of those ones of mathematics equals to 80. Then the number of those ones who passed physics, they said 45. Then the number of those ones who passed chemistry equals to 60. Then this was x, but we determined our value of x as 15. 15, z is 20, and y is 0. So remember our y is here, so this is 0. Our z is 20. our x is 15, and this is also this was x also 15. So this is now x minus 5. So you have 15 minus 5, giving us 10. Even this is 10. Then this is 5, and lastly 5. So then we have also the set of members or students who passed biology, and this one we can now get them off by adding. This is 15 plus 10, that is 40. 40 plus this, then this one's also they are 45. So now we continue answering the questions. We have finished part A. So this is our part A of the question. We go for part B. Find the number of those who passed all the 4 subjects. And write our part B from here. My number 1. Those ones who passed all the 4 subjects are 15. So I say that therefore 15 students passed all the 4 subjects. My number 2 of our question, saying that find the number of those who passed only 3 subjects. Passed only 3 subjects. And where are they found? So you see this one, 20 passed physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Also 10 passed physics, biology, and math. Even this. So we are going to simply add. We are going to add the 20 plus this 15 plus the 10, giving us the answer as 45. Consider therefore 45 students passed only 3 subjects. Alright, now we can go for part C of our question or scenario. We are having that a student is selected at random. Find the probability that passed 2 subjects. So we are going to calculate probability here. Remember, probability equals, so it's a probability equals to the number of events divided by the total sample space. And in here, the total sample space is our universal or the set of mathematics. So for my number 1, part C my number 1, which says that we find the probability of choosing a student who passed 2 subjects. So those ones who passed 2 subjects are here. We have 0 because this one passed physics and math. This one passed chemistry and math. Then 5 passed biology and math. So we are going to have the probability here equals to, now we're having 0 plus 10 plus 5 divided by the 80, which is the universal. So this is 15 divided by 80. So we can reduce it anymore. By 5, we get our 3. Then we have 16. So that is our answer. I can say that therefore the probability that students pass the 2 subjects is 3 out of 16. That is our answer. My number 2. It says find the probability that the student selected did not pass biology. So we are going to sum up this 5 plus 0 plus 20 plus 10. So we are going to have our probability for this one equaling to this 5 plus the 0, those ones who passed physics and math only, plus 20 plus 10, then divided by our sample space, which is 80. So when we sum up that, we are getting our answer as the numerator 35 divided by 80. So we can reduce by 5, we have 7. Then by 5, we have 16. Therefore, the probability that a student did not pass biology is 7 divided by 16. And thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.